Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to General Knowledge class. Martial art forms. Today's topic. Martial art are practiced for a variety of different reasons, including self defense, physical fitness, entertainment, and competition. Some even consider martial arts as a way of achieving spiritual growth. Within this category, today I am going to explain you 10 types of martial art: judo, kickboxing, karate, aikido, taekwondo, Brazilian jiu-jitsu, traditional boxing, wrestling, Krav Maga, and Muay Thai. Now let's discuss. Number 1, judo. It is competition-based sport that originated out of Japan. The primary objective is to throw or take down your opponent for points. Number 2, kickboxing. Kickboxing can be for fitness, self-defense, or sport. There are different origins of the sports, but we are most familiar with the American version of kickboxing. Number 3, karate. Karate originated in Japan and is practiced primarily for sport. It involves the typical kicking, punching, elbows, and also incorporates open hand techniques. Aikido is a martial art that originated from Japan and is designed primarily for self-defense. The creator of Aikido wanted to make an art that a person could use to defend himself without causing injury to his attackers. Taekwondo. Taekwondo is a Korean martial art, combines both self-defense and attack as a way of sport and exercise. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is an all-round ruthless sport based off Brazil. The key of the art is understanding and recognizing your own and your attacker's center of gravity. Traditional boxing. Boxing is very natural to a lot of individuals and it can be a lot of fun. It provides an excellent outlet for sports discipline, conditions, and fighting. Wrestling. Wrestling is one of the oldest forms of combat, probably originated from Europe. Traditional wrestling is performed on a mat with no ropes. Krav Maga. Krav Maga is Israeli national martial art. It has been designed for the purpose of street survival. And the last one, Muay Thai. This originated in Thailand and is also known as the art of 8 limbs. This martial art uses punches, kicks, knees, and elbows in forming an attack. These are the total 10 types of martial art form, but we are having some more. Likewise, the judo, taekwondo, wushu, karate, jiu-jitsu, and gotka. So here, these are some basic martial art from all around the world. According to this one, we have to learn all the tricks and techniques. I hope you understand it. Thank you.